Whether you work upstream, downstream, or midstream, when it comes to equipment problems in the oil and gas industry, you have to pinpoint the problem fast. If you don't, the consequences can be catastrophic. That's why your alarm notification software must always be on and always within reach. Working silently in the background, it constantly monitors your power, pressure, and distribution systems so you don't have to. It does more than let you know when something's going wrong. It assures you that everything is going right. WIN-911 is the world's leading alarm notification platform. Right now, WIN-911 is continuously monitoring oil and gas facilities, offshore platforms, and pipelines across the globe around the clock. If something happens that you need to know about, WIN-911 instantly sends an alert to your smartphone so you and your coworkers can fix the problem fast. No wonder companies like BP, XTO, Suncor, and Marathon Energy rely on WIN-911 to help keep their equipment and operations running smoothly. WIN-911, the right alarm to the right person at the right time.